Hello, 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 hello. Hi, my name's Mary Lowe. I'm an occupational therapist. When I left school, I did some secretarial work and I ended up working for a manufacturing company, and I was a secretary for a sales team for nearly 20 years. I had my children and then decided to have a career change. So I was nearly 40 when I decided to go for occupational therapy degree. But I'd had some experience in the hospital working as an assistant, and I also kind of took some volunteer jobs to get some experience. So I worked at a disabled swimming pool and kind of got some experience in different hospitals and doing different volunteer work. And then I did the occupational therapy degree. The reason that I chose occupational therapy was my husband became quite poorly at the age of 38 and was hospitalised. He was actually in intensive care, and throughout that time I saw a whole range of different careers, from nurses to physiotherapists, doctors, etc. And we had a visit from an occupational therapist. She came to our house to see what facilities we had for him to come downstairs to start with, and I thought that I actually was quite interested in what she was doing. I would go into a client's home, and I would already know before what issues they're having in the home, and I would go in and do a full OT assessment. So I would ask them a lot of questions about their medical problems, and then I would do a physical assessment, so basically mainly looking at how they manage in the home, looking at their mobility, looking at how they transfer from chair, bed and toilet, and make any recommendations for small pieces of equipment, or sometimes it might be rehousing that they need to consider if their property is an issue for them. Stairs, we can look at stair lifts, etc. So I enjoy meeting different people from all walks of life in my job. I work throughout the age range, so usually anything from 18 upwards, so I can see quite young people up to really quite elderly people. Usually everybody's grateful for your help and they're really pleased to see you, and you come away with a good feeling.